Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This video is for educational purposes only. Please use VPN services responsibly and according to your local laws. Today we will learn how to create and share secure VPN configuration files using the Dark Tunnel VPN app. This will help you connect to a V2Ray server with extra privacy and security. Step 1. Open your browser, such as Chrome, and search for the Open Tunnel website. On the home page, tap the menu icon and choose Services, then select V2Ray Server. Pick a server location that works best for you and click Create Account. Enter a username and a valid SNI, then click Create. If you do not have a working SNI, check the video linked in the description for guidance. Step 2. Once your account is created, tap the Copy button to copy all the server details. Keep this information safe for later. Step 3. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Dark Tunnel VPN, and install the app. Step 4. Open the Dark Tunnel VPN app. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, select Tunnel Type, and choose V2Ray. Tap Open Editor, then tap the three dots again and select VMS. Paste or import the V2Ray details you copied earlier. Tap the checkmark icon to save the settings. Step 5. Return to the home screen and tap the three dots. Select Config, then Export and choose File. Enter a file name and turn on the lock option for extra security. If needed, adjust the expiry date and other settings. Tap Export and then Save. Make sure you remember the folder where the file is stored. Step 6. Open your file manager and navigate to the location where your file is saved. Tap the three dots next to the file, select Share, and choose the app you want to use, such as WhatsApp. You can now send the file to your chosen contact or group. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon for more VPN guides. Stay secure and happy browsing.